Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate accounting processes with FreshBooks step by step clearly. Open your FreshBooks account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on Settings located in the bottom left corner. Select Integrations from the menu. Browse the list of available integrations for accounting. Choose the application you want to connect, such as PayPal or Stripe. Follow the prompts to authorize the integration. Return to the dashboard and click on Invoices. Click New Invoice to create your first automated invoice. Fill in the client's details. Add the products or services rendered. Set the invoice to repeat if it's a recurring charge. Choose the frequency of repeat intervals. Save the invoice to activate the automation. Next, click on Expenses from the dashboard. Select New Expense to input your expenses. Attach a receipt by uploading a file or taking a photo. Categorize your expense for better tracking. Set the expense as recurring if necessary. Save the expense entry. Move on to Reports in the dashboard. Select the type of report you want to generate, such as profit and loss. Customize the date range for the report. Click Run Report to view your financial data. Schedule the report delivery to your email. Set the frequency for receiving updated reports. Finally, review your process for accuracy and efficiency. Make adjustments to your automations as needed. Stay organized and monitor all automated entries regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.